Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for new viewers. In this video I want to show you the dry result of two paintings I did last week, and I had so much fun as always. So let's start with the first one. This one, beautiful, in blue and turquoise colors. I did the swipe pour on this one, so I added the gold on top, and I've had 2 drops of silicone in the gold, and then I layered the several blue and turquoise colors down this way, and I had my kitchen towel and I swiped, and sorry, it still has pins in it. So this is the final result. This hasn't been varnished yet, but it's going to get a gloss varnish. So this is the first one, 40 by 40 centimeters. And the second one I want to show you is, let's see which way, I think it's this way. This one I made last week as well. I've used 2 pearl colors from Amsterdam. I've used pearl white and pearl blue. And then the base color is Prussian blue. And all 3 paint colors are from Amsterdam. And in this one I've also added a bit of gold spray paint, as you can see. I like when it's not too many colors in the same painting, so I thought, okay, let's go with white and blue. And I actually just did one yesterday where I have pearl white, pearl blue, and pearl violet, and I have a full tutorial on that, but I haven't published it yet, but I will very shortly. So, and I'm very excited for that one. This one is 40 by 40 centimeters. And this one has actually been varnished twice. So maybe you can see that shiny effect to it. But I'm really loving this one. I think these colors, this design, this composition would look really nice on a big canvas. So this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask and I will answer them as soon as I can. So beautiful, beautiful. I'm loving this one. Yeah, I'm very excited for the one with the purple, the violet. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for me. This was a short, hopefully helpful, informative video. And I just wish you a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.